Hey guys, it's Alec here from Build Nerd. In today's video, I 3D print these awesome Mandalorian gauntlets from Star Wars The Mandalorian on Disney Plus for my Mandalorian build. Let's check it out. So I found these awesome files from Greatapestudioart on Etsy, and I really love these files. They have great detail in them, as well as they're really easy to build once you 3D printed them. So I 3D printed these in some ABS-like resin on my Elegoo Saturn. I 3D printed them in a couple parts. I did have some issues. As you can see, there was a slight layer shift there. I'll just fill that in with some Bondo when it comes time to finish these prints. Overall though, I'm very happy with them. I have both the right and left gauntlet. Now I'm sure you'd love for me to put these on, but unfortunately I have some glue still hardening, and I just have to wait until I do that so I don't get glue all over myself. But here's the right and left gauntlet. As you can see, that's where the whistling birds come out, and I 3D printed some whistling birds as well to go into the slots. And then there's both the top and bottom of each forearm. And then there's a gap right there to put in some electronics, which I definitely want to do to really give this build some authenticity. Now, The Mandalorian comes out this week, so I wanted to give a progress build update and show where I'm kind of at now. So I've printed the wrist, the forearms, the shoulders, and I had an initial print at the helmet. It didn't really meet my standards, but I can definitely finish it with a lot of sanding and a lot of extra work. And let me know if you want to see a video on that. And then I also have the shoulders, the forearm, and then the wrist on the other side. And now I hopefully do finish my entire build before the end of the season. So I have 8 weeks to finish everything, which is definitely putting it on a time crunch, but I'm really excited to finish it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video and want to see more like it, feel free to like, comment, subscribe down below. And until next time, build your nerddom.